Do you guys remember our solution suitcases?
Yeah!
And do you remember that we had to think of a solution that where's come on over. Hi, are you on this side?
Last night, I wasn't here because I was at my friend's house.
So do you remember we had to come up with a solution for our problems, but we had to look in our solution suitcase. Hi, do you want to get a chair from over there, please?
What's mine at?
Okay. I don't think you made one because you weren't here.
I got my friend's house.
Okay, that's cool. You can use this one. Lily needs one and Star needs one. Okay. Girls, we're talking about our solution suitcases, okay? Trin, you need to make a solution suitcase. You're on vacation. I'll let you use some more, okay? Put your solution suitcase in front of you. Here we go. Here we go. Here, put it in front of you on the table. Now, let's think of a problem. Let's think of a problem that we have at school. Excuse me. Let's think of a problem that we may have at school that we need to look in our solution suitcase. So here's an idea. Here's an idea. Josiah and Jasir are playing in cars, and Jasir takes Josiah's car, and he's mad. What can Josiah do? Can he ask nicely? Can he get a teacher? Or can he say, please stop? Which one could he do? Which one could he do? Should he say, please stop, Jasir, and give me my car back? He can ask nicely? He can do that? Or he can say, please stop? Which one do you think he could do?
Stop. Which one? Stop.
Please stop. Okay. Can you think of another situation here at school that we can do? Lily, tell me a problem that we can have. Lily's the speaker, eyes on the speaker. Okay. No. Uh-huh. And so what can we do with that situation? Can she say, please stop?
I can say, please stop.
Or play together?
They can play together.
They can play together. That was a great solution. Who can think of another situation? Jasir, you have your hand nice and high. Jasir has something. He is now the speaker. Eyes on Jasir. Go ahead. What's a problem that we have at school that we can think of a solution? What about Zach and Lily?
Cars.
They're playing with cars, and what else?
Took one.
And they took one. Zach took one from Lily?
Yeah.
So what can Lily do? Should she ask nicely? Should she trade? Or should she ignore?
Trade.
She should trade? How would she trade if Zach took one from her? So if she trades, what is she trading because he took it from her?
Give it back.
She could give it back, so maybe she could ask nicely, can you please give me my car back? Do you think that's a good idea?
Yeah.
Yeah? Oh, wonderful. Okay, let's think of another one. We're going to put these in our notebook. So we're going to put it in our notebook. Takes.
Welcome back, Jack.
You got me. You forgot me too. Me too.
Mr. Cradle, I think Trinity needs a break. Takes a car. I've just got it on, she takes a car, and so she can ask nicely. What else? Go see Mr. Fernando.
Come here.
What else can happen?
Here, you can help us over here make the fish. Come on.
What else can happen?
On my shoe.
Get your shoe, get your shoe.
Okay. What's the next problem we have? Josiah, you had your hand up. What's the next problem we had?
If Hillary pushed me out of housekeeping.
Hillary pushed Josiah out of housekeeping. Hillary pushed Josiah out of housekeeping.
Dun, dun, dun.
So what can Josiah say? Can he say, please stop? Or should he get a teacher? Or should they play together? Ooh, this is a good one. They can play together. Wonderful. So here it is. They can play together. All right, who has another problem? Desan, tell me what your problem is. Desan is the speaker. Quiet mouse, eyes on the speaker.
Lily pushed me out of housekeeping.
Well, that's the same as Hillary. Can we think of another problem?
Trinity pushed me out of housekeeping. He's so mad at me.
Well, that's still the same situation. Can we think of one more other thing that could happen aside being pushed out of housekeeping? Yeah, we talked about housekeeping. I don't mean to interrupt you. We talked about housekeeping, and we said that we can think of something else that happens aside pushing. We know that we have different friends. Josiah, please. We have different friends, so could we say something like, Micah didn't help clean up? How about that one?
Pushed me out of a car.
Micah pushed out of cars. So, Micah pushed out of cars. Here, what could we do, Dalia? Or, I'm sorry, what can we say? Micah pushed him out of cars. Does he get a teacher? Or does he say, please stop? Or does he ignore?
Get a teacher.
He can get a teacher. Now, what did the teacher do? What does the teacher do?
Says, don't push people out of cars.
Okay. He could say, don't push people out of cars.
Quick question. I'm a marketing machine. Change the shots. Change the shots.
Both of them?
He get a teacher and ask nicely.
You can ask nicely, please don't push me out.